Getting started in the kitchen can be intimidating. There are so many tools and utensils designed to make your cooking experience easier and more enjoyable, but it's very easy to get overwhelmed if you're stuck for choice. I'm going to break it all down for you and take it back to basics. These items will give you the confidence to cook a variety of meals. So without further ado, here's my top 5 essential tools for cooking. We're going to go over why each one of these is important and what applications you can use them in. Invest in a good quality non-stick frying pan, ideally one that has a metal handle with a stainless steel base. The metal handle will allow you to use it in the oven and the grill, and the solid base will retain higher temperatures for longer. Aim for a diameter of 26 to 28 centimeters. Think of this as your do-it-all pan. This potato omelette with sautéed vegetables, sprinkled with mature cheddar finished under a grill, is a great way to put this pan to good use. Stir fries and fried rice needs a high heat to crisp up all the vegetables and rice. Having a good stainless steel base will allow your pan to retain that high heat throughout the cooking process. I use leftover basmati rice, chicken and sliced peppers, finished with sriracha mayo and spring onions. Next on our list is a deep saucepan. Rice, pasta, potatoes, sauces, gravy, poached eggs, you name it. Having stainless steel allows you to use metal utensils without scratching. Making a bechamel sauce for a lasagna is much easier with a metal whisk. The tall walls of a deep saucepan allow for plenty of water in the pan, perfect for doing poached eggs. Another method I use a lot is par cooking potatoes. You can use this technique for pan-fried breakfast potatoes, chips, and even roasties. Having a lid to fit your pan is crucial to allow your water to come up to a boil nice and fast and to delicately steam rice. A sharp, high-quality chef's knife is a must-have for all home cooks. You can opt for ceramic coated or stainless steel, but if you had one choice, I'd recommend steel as it's far more versatile and longer lasting. The shape and weight of a chef's knife makes it a great application for almost any job on the cutting board. Let's take a look at why a dull knife is a total waste of time. A freshly sharpened chef's knife glides right through this tomato, whereas an old dull blade has to be forced its way through and doesn't even cut the skin on the other side. Not only is this time wasting, but it can also be dangerous. If the blade does not slice effectively, it has the risk of slipping and cutting your finger. With a proper technique and a steady hand, the chef's knife will make light work of slicing, dicing and chopping. Let's take a look at two types of chopping board. A plastic one with rubber feet to stop it from sliding, and a wooden or bamboo board. To stop a wooden board from sliding, place a tea towel or damp paper towel underneath. A good quality, adequately sized chopping board will make chopping less stressful. Nothing is worse than a cheap plastic chopping board that's bow shaped in the middle and slides around your worktop. With more room on your board, you can keep your workflow steady and not be piled up with mess and frustration. Another great use for a wooden board is that you can serve up on it. The size of the board works great with pizzas and sides. It's a fun and simple way to serve up your meal. Last but not least is a roasting tray. Get a good stainless steel or aluminium pan with high walls and a flat rectangular shape for maximum surface area. This is a great use for oven chips or any kind of baked potato, and if the pan comes with a wire rack, it's perfect for pulled meats and pork crackling. Here I simply coated chicken thighs with various herbs and spices, some sliced onions, peppers and garlic, and cooked in the oven for 30 minutes. And that was my top 5 essential tools for home cooking. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. Check out some of my previous videos if you haven't already, and thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.